Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure Power BI Desktop is current. Updates include the map fixes you need. Once updated, open File Right Arrow Options and Settings Right Arrow Options and go to Preview Features. Enable the Map and Filled Map Visuals checkbox that turns on the finished visual code. After enabling, restart Power BI Desktop so the feature fully loads. Doing this first avoids chasing phantom errors and ensures the client supports the new visual pipeline before you change other settings. Next, configure runtime options and authentication. Open File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Global, Right Arrow Security, and allow cloud-powered visuals if blocked, because maps call Bing/ArcGIS services. Then check File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Current File for map-specific settings. Confirm that maps are allowed to use online tiles and the Bing Maps key when prompted. Finally, sign in to your Power BI account. Authentication passes the tenant key to retrieve map tiles. Once done, close and reopen your report to let the connection stabilize. Finish by checking tenant-level controls and resolving persistent errors. If you are an admin, open the Power BI Admin Portal and under Tenant Settings ensure Maps and Cloud Visuals are enabled for your capacity or user group, otherwise the desktop switch won't help. If visuals still error, clear the report cache, restart desktop, and republish. Troubleshoot network blocks. Confirm firewalls or proxy aren't blocking Bing/ArcGIS endpoints, and make sure every user runs the latest desktop version. That usually resolves the remaining failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.